You will be impressed with the ease of setup. This recessed electric fireplace enhances the look of the room and with the LED technology. It doesn't cost too much to use, perfect for adding warmth and ambience to the space. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multiple operation modes with remote. The touch control panel is pretty self-explanatory, and the remote is very convenient to control when you are sitting on the sofa. A timer can be set between 1 hour to 8 hours to automatically turn off the fireplace while sleeping. Number 2. 4 flame colors and 5 brightness settings. The 4 different color lighting and 5 brightness options make it a fun mood effect if you chose. You can also keep it on the set with just flames and no heat output just for the look of having a fire going. Number 3. Fast heating and energy saving. The electric fireplace insert heats up quickly, blows heat right after turning it on, providing supplemental heat for heating up to 400 square feet, and it has 2 heat setting options: 750 watts, 1500 watts, which can be adjusted accordingly to keep warm and save energy. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.